This module deals with resiliency, the ability of a system to stay available and to bounce back from problems. But what is a resilient or available design? Is resiliency something you can add? Is it a feature you can turn on? Not really. Resiliency is the quality of a design that accounts for and handles failure. One principle of design is that sometimes the quality you want in the system isn't something you can really do anything about. To get the quality you want, you have to look 180 degrees in the opposite direction. In this case, to get availability, you have to look at and deal with the potential causes and sources of failure.
Hello and welcome. This is Jason Baker with the Google Cloud Platform. I'm a Google Cloud trainer, and this module is designed for resiliency, scalability, and disaster recovery. Yes, all three. It's going to be a fun ride. Okay, so a highly available or resilient web application is one that continues to function despite expected or unexpected failures of components in the system. So if a single instance fails or an entire zone experiences a problem, a resilient application remains fault tolerant, continuing to function and repairing itself automatically if necessary. Basically, the way at Google we tell our designers or our developers to work, design as though the world is crumbling around you. Think about that. If you can imagine that, then you're going to design something that's highly resilient and to failure and highly available. So this agenda is going to be pretty jam-packed, so grab some coffee and sit in for a little while on this one, because we're going to be covering failure in general, failure due to a loss, failure due to overload. How do we cope with failure? Yeah, go see your psychiatrist on that one. What about business continuity? How do we continue if there is a failure? And disaster recovery. If there's something major, how do we recover completely from this? Then we will finally talk about scalable and resilient design, which is supposedly supposed to offset all of these bad things from happening, or at least dealing with them at least. So then we're going to have an out of service issue with our photo service, and then we're going to have to redesign our logging system. And of course, there's not going to be any lab in this module, so sit in and let's enjoy the ride.